On the edge of a quiet little village, in a house that always smelled of cinnamon and pine, lived a girl named Lila. One chilly autumn morning, her grandmother sat by the window with a basket of yarn beside her chair. With every gentle click of the needles, she wove warmth into a bright red scarf. When it was finished, she wrapped it softly around Lila's neck. "This will keep you warm wherever the wind may wander," Grandma said, smiling. The scarf shimmered like a ribbon of sunset, and Lila twirled proudly before the fire, feeling wrapped in love itself. Later that day, Lila skipped down the golden path that led from her garden to the open fields. The air smelled of apples and bonfires, and the trees swayed as though whispering secrets. Then, "Whoosh," came the playful voice of the wind. It twirled around her boots and tugged gently at her scarf. "What a beautiful ribbon of red!" The wind laughed. "May I borrow it for a dance?" Lila giggled. "You're far too strong, wind. You might carry it away." But the wind only chuckled softly, swirling the leaves like dancers around her feet. The wind, however, was a bit of a trickster. With a mischievous puff and a joyful spin, it snatched the scarf and sent it sailing high above the fields. "Oh no! Come back!" cried Lila, chasing after it as the red fabric rippled across the sky like a flame. She ran past pumpkins, over fences, and into the forest where sunlight streamed through branches like golden rain. The wind laughed kindly but didn't stop. It wanted to share the warmth with others who might need it more that day. The scarf fluttered down into a meadow where a small family of rabbits huddled together against the chill. Without a word, the wind tucked the scarf around them. The little ones wriggled close, safe and warm beneath its red folds. When Lila arrived, panting and rosy-cheeked, she paused. "Oh, so that's where you went." The mother rabbit blinked gratefully, and Lila smiled. "Maybe Wind knew you needed it." She sat beside them for a while, watching the sunlight turn the scarf into a blanket of glowing embers, feeling her heart stretch wide with kindness. Soon, the wind lifted the scarf again, this time carrying it gently toward the forest's edge. It floated into the branches of an old oak tree, where a nest of tiny birds shivered in the cool breeze. The scarf settled softly across the nest like a curtain of comfort. When the babies chirped with joy, Lila laughed through happy tears. And just as the sun began to set, the wind brought the scarf back down, draping it once more around her neck. Lila hugged it close. "Thank you, wind," she whispered. "Now I know warmth grows brighter when it's shared." What we treasure most becomes even more special when it brings warmth to others.